Here in this Capstone project I work solo to design a character named V-Ray, the motion keeper. In this video I will work through what I have learned, the design process, the evolution from my midterm character, and the story behind V-Ray. Let's start! To begin, I went on Pinterest to explore different character aesthetics and moods. I was inspired by stylized androids and emotional story-driven designs. That helped me decide the overall direction, something futuristic but with a strong emotional core. I started sketching ideas on paper. Some were too rough or didn't match the vibe I was going for, but eventually I refined the concept and drew the character in front, side, back, and free third views. These were done with pencil to focus on form before color. Throughout the process, I kept his story in mind. V-Ray is a humanoid android created to recover lost humanoid emotions in a digital age. His mission is personal and universal, to restore emotional intelligence to humanity, starting with the creator's own son. I also designed his tool, called Sensum, an emotional compass that detects feelings. I created it digitally and added to the final poster. It plays an important role in the character's story and visual identity. After that, I scanned my sketches into Photoshop. I cleaned up the lines using filters and contrast adjustments. Then, on new layers, I painted the character using a consistent color palette. Most of the colors were blue toned to reflect calmness and depth. For the final poster, I layered everything in Photoshop. The background is a grid notebook page with graphite strokes, painted drops, and stickers. I wanted it to feel like a personal diary, reflecting the emotional journey of V-Ray. Then I created a basic 3D version of V-Ray using simple modeling tools. I unwrapped the UVs, added basic materials, rigged the character, and even animated his dance. It helped me understand the 3D potential of my design. I really enjoyed working on this project. It helped me to combine design, narrative, and technical skills. The foundation I built during the midterm played a big role in my success here. I am proud of how far the concept evolved from just an idea to a full visual story. Thanks for this lesson, and you teacher. I learned a lot from this course. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.